Go right on the roundabout.
It's an early start this morning. The weather's not too good, but the journey is going to be well worth it. Let's hit the road.
Left on the roundabout and take the...
Hello everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rag-venturediaries. My name's John. Today I'm visiting a company called Slug Vehicle Graphics, just outside Cardiff in South Wales, to get an upgrade to the van I didn't know I needed. I've spoken to the owner Lloyd, and hopefully he'll let me do a bit of filming today. So why not come and join me as Griffin gets an upgrade. As soon as I arrive, there's no messing. We're straight into the design phase. So that'll be in matching matte black, the same as the others.
Yep.
And the letters will be cut out.
Yep.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, so effectively, like if you could imagine the grey referring to your paintwork, then
Yeah,
you know that's what you're gonna end up with.
that's gonna look pretty cool. So here's Griffin in Slug Vehicle Graphics. We've just been designing some of the graphics with Lloyd, so here she is, ready to be worked on. So we're still in the design phases at the moment. As you can see, Lloyd's doing a bit on his Illustrator package there and checking off measurements against Griffin as well to make sure we get it absolutely right. We're going to have topo on the quarter panels and the bonnet, and he's just doing an adventure mounting sticker on both sides from the light to the mid door for me, so it's going to look pretty cool. So we're just refining the designs here for the side of Griffin, because the topo looks pretty cool when it's cut out.
Yeah,
Really
so
like
obviously
that.
like we do it that way.
Yeah.
You know, on the van.
Yeah. So that's the bonnet. He'll come back to that a bit later, and we're going to see some change now. I reckon this is going to make a huge change to the side of that vehicle. So that's what you were calling the
Knifeless tape.
knifeless tape. So it cuts vinyl.
Yep.
So there you are, folks. You heard it here first. Knifeless tape. So you can see the prep done, all getting taped up. The knifeless tape is on. It's got its magnets to hold the wrap up. And it looks like a really fascinating process. It's a bit more intricate on this side, isn't it?
A little bit, yeah.
There's a bit of detail in there. You can see the attention to detail that Lloyd is applying to his work here. It is for this reason that the application of all of these graphics to Griffin took 6 hours. Side number 2, coming to the end, more intricate. Lloyd's done a cracking job there though. Look at that, awesome. Has completely changed the look of the van.
Visually on the front end, you've almost created quite similar to what you've got on the sides.
Yeah.
There's still a bunch of paintwork.
Yeah.
And then you've done like this middle section to like
Yeah.
accentuate something rather than just like block it all out.
Designer's eye, say? Designer's eye. Well suggested, Lloyd, well suggested. Yeah, that's nice. And then those bars from the lights.
Yeah.
That'll tie it all in quite well, I think. What Lloyd is doing now are the final graphics that Griffin will get. I wanted a solid bar which stretches from the headlight to the middle of the door, with a mountain on it and the word adventure. The bar ties in all of the topographics and fits the theme of my outdoors adventures and achievement of various Himalayan summits. Nice. So here we are, the van's finished. Lloyd's done a cracking job. If we look on the side there, we've got a band with the word adventure and mountains. On the side, we've got some nice contour graphics. Topographics. Very important, don't forget that, people. Like and subscribe. More on this side. A matching band with the mountains and the word adventure. And the bonnet, we've got some more topo on the bonnet done to the lines of the van. So I have to say, I really like what Lloyd's done here at Slug Vehicle Graphics. Really chuffed with the way that Griffin has turned out. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Let's keep the channel growing, and put some comments down below. If you think those graphics are great, comment, or even let me know what graphics you've got on your vehicle. But hope you enjoyed that, and see you again soon.